Spectrum Cable Box error code A1E indicates an HDMI output authorization problem. Essentially, the cable box is failing to establish a secure connection or handshake with your TV, preventing video and audio transmission. This often results from HDCP mismatches or interruptions in the signal. The HDMI handshake process involves the cable box sending an authentication signal to the TV, and if this fails, the A1E error occurs. Common culprits include loose HDMI connections, outdated firmware on the cable box, power surges, or even selecting the wrong HDMI input on your TV. While frustrating, it's rarely a permanent hardware failure. In fact, Spectrum estimates that 80 to 90% of A1E cases are software-related and resolvable without needing to replace the cable box. First, try a simple power cycle. Unplug both the cable box and your TV from the power outlet for 30 seconds. Reconnect them and see if the error clears. Next, meticulously check your HDMI cable. Ensure it's securely plugged into both the cable box and the TV. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV or even swapping the cable with a known working one. Then, verify that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input corresponding to the port you're using. Finally, check for firmware updates either through the cable box's menu or the Spectrum app. If all else fails, as a last resort, perform a factory reset by pressing and holding the power button on the cable box for 10 seconds. If the problem persists after these steps, contact Spectrum support for further assistance, as they may need to run remote diagnostics or, in rare cases, replace the box.